Hi everyone! Welcome back to our basic English grammar course. If you are new here, I'm teacher Erica from the USA. This is an ongoing grammar course, so make sure to check out some of the previous lessons in this series. All right, so let's get started. Today we are going to work on adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It's a word that we use to describe a noun. If you don't know what a noun is, I would encourage you to go back and check out our previous lesson, which I will have come up somewhere on the screen now. So, if you think about a noun, for example, a car, and you want to talk about what it looks like, what it sounds like, what it feels like, you use adjectives. For example, a red car, a nice car, a big car, a fast car. Here are some more examples of commonly used adjectives. Big and small, good and bad, hard and soft, tall and short, hot and cold. These are also called opposites. The hot tea, the short boy, the bad grade. Colors can also be adjectives. You use colors to describe what something looks like. If you would like to describe something using more than one adjective, you can just put a comma in between them. For example, a nice red car. A big, beautiful dog. A small, dirty shirt. All right, so that's all for adjectives. Make sure to subscribe below to be notified when our next video becomes available. If you have any questions about today's material, please leave a comment below, and I will be sure to respond to each and every one. See you in the next one. Keep practicing.